wig details, like I'm a leprechaun. The wig details about the specific unit that I ordered. So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging, because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. As always, it's something about the yellow just makes me happy. I love the packaging of Sunber hair. It comes in a harder box, but they also normally include like a storage case as well, and they did. Some other extras that they have put inside of the wig are that silk storage case with their branding on it. They've also included some press-on nails, an edge band with their branding on it, some HD wig caps, and the wig itself. I'm just reading right off of here. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. It is 20 inches long. It is a jerry curly unit. It looks really, really pretty. Let's take it out of this package. They have also included some bye-bye knots tabs in here, which I use these on all of my wigs. I will even use them on a synthetic wig if I'm wearing them out, because it keeps it nice and secure to my head, and it just blends better. I do love these. Y'all know when I'm looking for human hair, or I'm ordering human hair, there are 3 things that I'm looking for. Affordability, is it beginner friendly, and the quality. So affordability, Sunber knocks that out of the park every time. Okay, they are very, 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 very affordable, and they have tons of payment options. So that's a check. When I look at the ease, I know that a curly unit is easy for me, because all I have to do is spray some water on it and I'm usually good to go. But with these Sunber units, everything has already been done for me. Okay, I couldn't achieve any plucking, I couldn't do any of that on my own. I know I couldn't. So I know that this unit checks the beginner friendliness because of the curl pattern and because of the ease that they give us on this unit. We'll look at the quality once we put it on our head. So as far as the cap construction, the perfect cap construction, I mean, you have 7x5 parting space up there, which is just the right amount for me, because if you start going over that, you got to start gluing down, tacking. I'm not doing all that. Okay, so I love the 7x5 parting space. You also have a wide extended comb in the back and some adjustable straps, and they've included a glueless adjustable band on this unit as well that makes the wig lay flush to your head. This wig is pretty right out of the pack, and I have a feeling that I'm gonna love it on my head as well. What I'm gonna do is put this on my head before I do anything to it, so you can see it right out of the pack. And then I am going to give you a 360, spray it down with some water and conditioner, give you a 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this Jerry Curly unit from Sunber Hair. And just like always, they checked everybody's. Affordability, yes. Beginner friendliness, yes. I'm pretty sure I showed you footage of the wig when it was dry and wet. And to be honest, I would wear this wig either way. And it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right now, it's still a little damp because I've sprayed it down. It's probably been 15, 20 minutes. And this is what it is somewhat dried to. This wig is just gorgeous. So yes, beginner friendly. Yes, affordable. Now on to the quality. The quality of this hair is amazing. And that's literally every unit I've ever gotten from Sunber Hair. Oftentimes when I'm asked, like people say, where can I get some good human hair wigs from? Sunber is always in my top 3 most favorite and most often recommendations because of the quality of this hair. You might be saying, oh, well, you just got a pack, that's why it's not shedding and tangling. That's a lie, because if you've watched this channel before, there are many companies, human hair, that will tangle and shed right out of the pack. Not Sunber Hair. I definitely can recommend this one. To show you how much I can recommend it, normally if I'm not doing like a hair video and say I'm doing a clothing haul, you will notice that I normally have on curly units like this because they are so easy and I love them. This one is no different. I definitely can recommend this one. If you look in the description box, I'm going to put a direct link to where you're going to get this exact unit because this is one that I think that you will enjoy. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are because I'm in love. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.